Guys, I begin by asking, how many friends do you have? Because I'm looking at a study that shows that the size of your social circle is related to the size of your brain. And researchers are suggesting that there is a link between the number of friends that you have and the size of the region of the brain, which is known as the orbital prefrontal cortex, that is found above the eyes. And according to a study that was published on February the 1st, that is in 2012, in the journal that was titled Proceedings of the Royal Society B, the orbital prefrontal cortex, the one that is just found above the eye, is bigger in people with a large number of friendships. And so the research was carried out as part of the British Academy Centenary Lucy to Language project, and it was led by one Professor Robin Dunbar of the University of Oxford. He collaborated with some others. One of them is Dr. Joan Powell, Dr. Martha Garcia, both of them from Liverpool University. We also had Dr. Penny Lewis of the University of Manchester. We had Professor Neil Roberts of Edinburgh University. And according to their study, we need to employ a set of cognitive skills to maintain a number of friends. And the key word here is friends, because you're not looking at how many people you know, but how many friends in reality that you do have. And social scientists describe the skill as mentalizing, or in other terms they call it mind reading, which is a capacity to understand what another person is thinking, which is crucial to our ability to handle our complex social world, including the ability to hold conversations with one another. So they took anatomical MR images of the brains of 40 volunteers at the Magnetic Resonance and Image Analysis Research Center at the University of Liverpool, and they used this to measure the size of the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain used in high-level thinking. So the participants were asked to make a list of everyone that they had engaged with socially, not professionally, over the previous 7 days. They also took a test to determine their competency in mentalizing. And so Professor Robin, who was the lead personnel in the study, said that they found that individuals who had more friends did better on mentalizing tasks and had more neural volume in the orbital frontal cortex, which is the part of the forebrain just above the eyes. So what this study basically says is that people who have abilities to keep real friendships, or rather to keep people around them, have bigger brains as compared to those people who have very little friends or no friends at all. This poses a question to you: how many friends do you have? Real friends and not the people that you know. So if you can mention a good number, means that your brain capacity is really something to boast of. So that is for our insight. Until next time, Akoj Kidar, it's bye for now.